As a professional content creator, this king-size Sharpie is one of my most important tools, but not for the reason that you might expect. See, though I am a content creator, I am not an artist in the traditional sense, in that I don't really draw or paint anything, though I have played around with graffiti in the past. Nor am I an architect or designer, so I don't need to work with blueprints at all, and I don't need to add marks to materials where I intend to drill holes, though I do occasionally do some DIY projects myself. But the key reason why this king-size Sharpie is one of my most important tools is because I do make a lot of product review and unboxing videos. And making unboxing videos means you need to show a package that's been shipped to your house on camera. And showing a package that's shipped to your house on camera means the box contains your home address. So using this king-size Sharpie, I'm able to very quickly redact my home address from any packages that I receive, so that when I make these unboxing videos, I don't unintentionally dox myself. So whether you're an artist, an architect, a designer, a content creator, or really anyone in any field, pick up one of these king-size Sharpie markers and they're going to become an essential part of your workflow as well.